Oh, fuck.
Yo, Ben!
What's up,
Camera
bro?
aimed at you. What's going on, y'all?
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a little creek fishing today.
What's your name?
This is Ben.
That's Ben. I'm Bill. And you're watching Ben and Bill fishing. So, today we're doing a little creek fishing challenge. Not a challenge. Just kidding.
Little creek fishing.
Damn, I'm
gonna catch some bass. Hoping to catch a couple nice bass today.
Main objective, gonna catch some bass. Got that right. It's a little creek, we gotta walk down in there.
About a mile hike.
Yeah, we got a mile hike to go, as y'all can see. Long ass hike. And yeah, Benny's gonna try to do some fly fishing. I'm gonna do a little finesse tactic. And
we'll let you know how it goes there.
Yeah, we'll start recording or catch y'all up when
stay tuned
when we get there. So yeah, stay tuned. What's going on, y'all? It's Bill.
We finally got this Ben.
It's Ben.
We finally got to our little spot.
Now this spot in particular, you gotta walk down this little dirt trail to get down in the juice. But Benny actually lives like right up the road, so he's been fishing this longer than me. So he knows where all the spicy little holes are and shit like that.
It's a nice little creek. They got some big holes. For the most part, it's all shallow. But there's some nice bass in there. The water is always moving.
Beautiful creek.
It's a little spring.
Just amazing. We've actually never been this way. We always go upstream, but it gets deeper that way. But a lot of walking through water and stuff, so we'll catch back with y'all in a second, ain't that right?
Yes, we will.
It's hot as hell out here. That's all I'm gonna say. It's hot as balls.
Good job finding my rod.
Get away. Guys, this is what we stumble upon. Like I said, we've never been up this way, so.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a honey hole right here.
And yes, guys, there are water moccasin and alligator in this creek, but we have yet to see gators. We've seen water moccasin, but this is their home. They bite us. That's what we get. All right, Benny, what are you doing?
Doing a little hot water fly fishing.
What you got on there right now, little
poppy.
Put it by the hand? Okay, okay. Heck yeah.
So, you guys see what happens here? It's kind of hard to be fishing right here because all these trees and fucking...
Got a bunch of trees and stuff behind us, so you know, if y'all have ever seen someone throw a fly fishing rod, you need a lot of space.
You already seen a couple bass in here?
Yeah, there's a couple little decent little fish in here.
This is just the first little spot though. We got plenty more to go down the creek.
And like I don't know if we said this already, but I think we're the only people that fish this spot.
Yeah.
To be honest, we've never seen any fishing line, never seen people fishing down here. It's a secluded little spot that we got.
Should be popping. I don't know why it's not.
to be honest, I might have to stop this film, take a picture. This is a cool picture right here. Big old spider crawling on me.
One more time.
Y'all see the flick of that wrist? Oh. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be making a new channel. It's gonna be called. Oh.
Yeah. Like a little video or something. Nothing fancy. Fat video.
Woo-wee.
The other one, section. No, that's not a video.
What is that, a little sunfish or something?
Yeah. Decent. Look at the bottom right here.
Woo. Try to bite me.
It's peeing right now.
Yeah. That's awesome.
First little fish of the day.
Let's get a cool release. Should we get the GoPro? Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna release him. Y'all see that on the GoPro here in a second.
Bro, how cool it is. You may not mess it up.
Yo, what are we doing, bro?
Better go catch these fucking hogs, bro. You know what time it is?
Dude, we're at the next spot. I keep doing this a lot because talking to y'all out there watching. But we're at the next spot. I'm not gonna do that again. I just did it again. I'm not gonna even waste y'all's time.
We'll just show you some clips of what we're gonna be catching.
Yeah, we'll roll the clips. So yeah.
Go ahead.